Guys, today we're taking a look at the Cearvol Nano, a tiny over-the-counter hearing aid that could be a really interesting option if you want help hearing more clearly. But you don't want apps, Bluetooth pairing, or loads of messing around. Because let's be honest, a lot of hearing devices can feel a little bit overcomplicated. Too many settings, too much setup, too much reliance on a phone. But you know what? This one seems to take a very different approach. So if you want to find out whether this is actually a smart, simple hearing solution or just another gadget that sounds good on paper, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, hearing, right? That's one of those things a lot of people don't really think about until they start missing little details. Maybe it's a conversation in a busy restaurant. Maybe it's people speaking quietly across a table. Maybe it's just everyday sounds outdoors that don't feel quite as clear as they used to. And that's where something like this could make a lot of sense, because the idea here is simple, discreet hearing support, easy controls, and no need to pull your phone out every 5 minutes. Now, before we get into it, Cearvol did send me these nano hearing aids for me to take a look at and for me to give you my best opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get that honest opinion, good, bad, or different. And just to be clear, this solution is really aimed at people with mild to moderate hearing loss, which is how the product is positioned. If you've got more serious hearing concerns, then that's the sort of thing where you'd want proper professional advice as well. So that said, let's get these out of the box and see what we have. So guys, inside the box, you've got the hearing aids themselves. You've got a charging case, you've got a USB-C charging cable, you get different ear tip sizes, a cleaning tool and a wax guard. You also get a quick start guide and the full manual. And straight away, what stands out here is just how small these are. I mean, they are properly discreet, and the case is quite clever too, because this is where all of the main control happens. So rather than fiddling around with tiny buttons in your ears, you do all your adjustments from the case itself, which I actually think is one of the smartest things about this design. Now guys, you've got your left and right hearing aids that are color coded. They sit in the case to charge, and the case itself also includes a hygiene light, which is a nice extra touch. Now, what makes Cearvol Nano interesting is that it seems to remove a lot of the usual barriers. There's no app to learn, no Bluetooth pairing process, no messing around whether someone remembered how to open the right menu on a phone, right? Everything is designed to be simple and direct. And for a product like this, that matters, because in the real world, not everyone wants hearing support tied to an app. In fact, for some people, that would probably be the very thing that puts them off. Here guys, all of the controls are built into the case. You can adjust the volume, change modes, and make those changes without taking out your phone or poking around at something tiny behind your ear. That is a genuinely practical idea. You've also got different listening modes, including indoor, outdoor, and restaurant. And the whole point here is to make speech clearer while reducing some of the background noise that can make conversations just that harder to follow. Now guys, in terms of comfort, this is where these look really strong. They're very small, they sit neatly in the ear, and because of the shape, they don't even get in the way, even if you're wearing glasses. And that matters more than what people think, because anything awkward around the ear becomes very annoying very quickly. And visually, they are discreet. I mean, they're so discreet that most people probably wouldn't even notice them. At a glance, someone might think, well, you know, you've got a small earbud in or something like that. But you know, ordinarily, they are discreet. Now, what about battery life? Well, that is solid too. You can get up to 17 hours on a full charge, and if you're in a rush, 15 minutes in the case, and that's going to give you about 3 more hours, which is actually very handy if you're heading out and you know what, you just forgot to top them up. Now guys, in real use, where I think something like this makes the most sense is not necessarily sitting in a silent room. It's when you're out and about, maybe in the car when you want better awareness of what's going on around you, maybe outdoors, there's more subtle ambient sound that you realise you were missing, or maybe the big one, a noisy restaurant or family gathering where everybody else seems to hear the conversation just fine and you're left smiling and nodding, hoping no one has just asked you a direct question. That's the kind of moment where a little product like this starts to feel genuinely useful. And I think that the simplicity is part of the appeal. If you were buying these, not just for yourself, but for a parent or grandparent, the fact that you don't need tech to kind of set them up, you don't need an app, you don't need a phone, which a lot of old people, you know, they kind of use their phones to take a phone call and that's about it. Well, that's a massive plus. Put them in, use the case, change the mode, job done. That said, I do think it's important to be realistic. If someone needs something more tailored, more advanced, or more clinically specific, then this probably isn't trying to replace that. This is more about making everyday hearing support approachable, discreet, and easy to live with. And honestly, that alone is going to make these appealing to quite a lot of people. So guys, there you have it. The Cearvol Nano feels like one of those products that just gets the basics right in a very, very sensible way. They are small, they're discreet, comfortable, easy to control, and most importantly, it doesn't pile on unnecessary complexity. I think that the case-based control system is probably the standout feature here because it makes the whole thing feel much less intimidating. For anyone who's been put off hearing devices because they thought it would all be apps, pairing, settings and all of that faff, this feels like a much simpler entry point. And it's clearly not trying to be everything for everyone, and that's probably a good thing. Instead, it focuses on being approachable, practical and easy to use day to day. And for the right person, that could make a genuine difference. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick these bad boys up on Amazon with a voucher for £299, which is an awesome discount off of the £349 list price. I'll also leave any links and any further discounts in the description. And guys, if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified on new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Cearvol for sending me this cool Nano OTC hearing aid to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.